I wanna leave my footprints on the sands of time. Know there was something that meant something that I left behind.
My name is Imari Watson. I'm a freshman mass media arts major, and one thing I like about Clark is that I can always walk down the promenade and I see familiar faces. There's never like a stranger or somebody I've never seen before. I feel like I know everybody that goes here.